Hi folks, hope all are doing good. Though I am a Pondicherrian, I wasn't aware about this place. Recently I attended a tourism program and I got to know more details about this place. So every resident of Pondicherry and the tourist who visits Pondicherry should know more about this place. This place is very rich in history. Let's get inside and explore more in detail. Folks, to start with, we all know that India was ruled by British for at least 2 centuries. But there were few pockets which were ruled by French. The regions were Pondicherry, Karaikal, Mahe and Yanam. India got its independence on August 15, 1947. While India received its independence, Pondicherry was still struggling with the French for its freedom. Pondicherry gave enormous support for India's independence struggle against the British. So post-independence, the then Indian government had initiated discussions with the French government to merge the French territories along with India. The National Youth Congress of India began Satyagraha in support of the merger, and the freedom fighters organized a pro-merger parade, for which they have been lathi charged and their flags were being seized by the French police personnel. A historical twist happened on 18th of October 1954. The French Indian Liberation Government office was set up at Nettapakam. The board then decided to conduct a poll to come to final settlement regarding the merger of French Indian territories along with India. This election conducted at this Kirur village right at this spot. All the 178 members of the council who were seated here was provided with a voting sheet, and that was conducted as a secret ballot. Election resulted in an overwhelming and a shocking majority of 170 votes favoring the merger of French Indian territories with India. France transferred the last 4 territories, Pondicherry, Karaikal, Mahe, Yanam, to India on 1st of November 1954. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru made his first visit to independent Pondicherry and hoisted the Indian national flag and addressed the gatherings. Thiru Keval Singh was the first governor of independent Pondicherry. Thiru Guber, Thiru Muthukumarappa Reddiyar, Thiru Venkata Subba Reddiyar were the eminent leaders who played a pivotal role in the independence of Pondicherry. Thiru Guber was the first chief minister of independent Pondicherry. 8 years after the election, an agreement was signed between Keval Singh and Pierre Lendy to conclude the merger of Pondicherry with India. And that's the reason we celebrate independence on 16th August 1962. To celebrate this event of historical importance, a monument was built in 1972 by the then Chief Minister M.O.H. Farooq. And this is named as Kirur Referendum Monument. The people who have participated in the election, all their names are listed on the top of the pillars which you could see here. This monument holds the paintings and the photographs which were taken during that time, and it is open on 6 days in a week except Monday, and the timings are from 9 AM to 4 PM, and there is no entrance fee over here. Hope you all learned something new today. To get regular updates, subscribe to our channel High on Pondi. To get notifications, click the bell icon. If you have any interesting places to cover in and around Pondicherry, drop it in the comment box. Thanks guys.